Where's that? Scissor. Oh, I hope you like it. Ah! Oh. This one for you. Buy it for you. You like it? It's good. Which color you want? You want the pink one or the yellow one?
I don't know.
You choose. Adi.
Color okay.
Color okay.
Oh, good. Good color.
You can choose. You want yellow or the pink? This one is pink, I think. Binilang ko siya ng water bottle kasi yung botelya niya siyang Coca-Cola lang. Ito lang inilagyan niya ng tubig. So, binilang ko siya. Kawawa naman.
Baby.
She's very good friend of mine. That's why I bought her a gift. That is a gift. I said you're a good friend. That's why I bought you a water bottle. It's a gift. Malo?
Yes.
Malo?
Malo.
It's a gift. This one is my blender. When I blend the juice, I always drink juice, hadakian juice, cucumber juice, lemon. I make it over here because I love to drink juice in the morning. So this one I have to charge and then blend the juice and drink right away. You know what I mean? It's a blender, portable blender. So it's chargeable. Chargeable blender. Kung buntag, mag-inom mo ng juice, lemon, cucumber, kiar, banana. No, in the morning, kiar, banana, kiar, lemon, and ginger. Detox yan. Sabi, palit ko ani portable. This one is only 1 KD 900. It's very cheap. But you know what? I like it because it's portable and it's only for juice. Because our blender is smell like tomato, shunotani. This one is very nice. I love it. I can charge it over here. Yeah, this is this charger over here. You can charge it. It's portable anywhere. You can bring it anywhere. Eh?
No.
Yeah, this one. 1 KD 900. And this one both is the same price.
Okay.
The same price. Hadi ba? Tani bad. This one is 1 KD 900. Same thing. I bought two. That's it. So I have a juicer. There it is. That's all, guys. Nag-unbox lang mi ani akong gipalit. Gipalitan sa nako siya og water bottle. Thank you.